Implicit differentiation, number 8. Tan y is equals to cos x, find the dy over dx. So, solution, tan y is equals to sin y over cos y. So, ato na siyang i-derive, muna siyang may siyang d over dx, ato siyang i-substitute, sin y over cos y is equals to d over dx cos x. So, gamitan tayo na to siya o quotient rule. So, cos y multiply to dy over dx cos y, negative sin y multiply to negative dy over dx sin y over cos squared y is equals to negative sin x. So, ato naman siyang i-multiply. Ang result niya is may mo siyang dy over dx dy over dx cos squared y plus dy over dx sin squared y over cos squared y. Nganong na positive siya kay gimultiply man nato ang negative sin y sa negative dy over dx sin y. So, may mo siya og positive because negative times negative is equal to positive. So, equals negative sin x. I-copy siya nimo and ang katong cos y multiply to cos y is may mo na siya og cos squared y. Next is the dy over dx cos squared plus dy over dx sin squared is equals to negative sin x cos squared y. So, since atwa man ni siyang ang kaning si sin is atwa ni siyang i-sulod sa close and open parenthesis, dy over dx cos squared y plus dy over dx sin squared is equals to sin x cos squared y dy. So, dy over dx is equals to negative sin x cos squared, since si cos squared y equals sin squared y is equal to 1 raman siya. So, next is the higher order derivatives, number 28. F of x is equals to e raised to the power of negative x. So, here's akong PPT for a function f(x). So, we can say that the general formula for the nth term of f of x is equals to e raised to the power of negative x is negative 1 to the power of n multiplied to e raised to the power of negative x. So, next is kaning nasa iyang baba, by observing the pattern using x equals to 1, we can observe the following kaning siyang mga pattern, which is the f of x is equals to e raised to the power of negative x, f of 1 is equals to e raised to the power of negative x, f of 2 is equals to e raised to the power of negative x, f3 is equals to negative e raised to the power of negative x. So, next is maxima and minima 604. So, determine a diameter of a closed cylindrical tank having a volume of 11.3 cubic meter to obtain minimum surface area. So, the formula that we are going to use for cylinder or for the volume of cylinder is volume is equals to pi over 4 diameter squared times height. where D is for the diameter of cylinder's base, while H is the height for cylinder. To solve for H, we use the formula volume is equals to pi over 4 times diameter squared times height. So 11.3, the value of our volume is equals to pi multiplied to diameter squared times height over 4. So height is equals to 11.3 times 4 over pi times diameter squared. Height is equals to 45.2 over pi diameter squared. That is for our equation number 1. So formula for the surface of cylinder, our equation number 2 is area is equals to pi multiplied to diameter multiplied to height plus 2 pi over 4 diameter squared. So we are going to substitute the equation number 1, which is the height, in the equation number 2, which is our area. So area is equals to pi multiplied to diameter. So 45.2 over pi diameter squared plus our equation 1 and 2, which is the pi over 4 multiplied to diameter squared is equals to 45.2 plus I over diameter plus pi over 4 multiplied to diameter squared. So we're going to use the d over dx 45.2 over diameter plus pi over 4 diameter squared is equals to diameter multiplied to 0 is minus 45 minus 2 multiplied to 1 over diameter squared plus pi over 4 2 multiplied to diameter squared minus 1. dA over dx is equals to negative 45.2 over diameter squared plus pi over 2 multiplied to 2 diameter is equals to 0. So atong i-transpose, so 0 is equals to negative 45.2 over diameter squared plus pi diameter. So mawala ng atong 0. So ang atong mabili na is si pi multiplied to diameter. So 45.2 diameters over diameter squared is equals to pi diameter. So si D3 is equals to 45.2 over pi. So our answer is the diameter of a closed cylindrical tank is 2.432 inches. So time rates number 624. As you can see, there is an illustration sa steering point of a car B and steering point for a car A. So solve for S using cosine law. So C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C. So S squared is equals to 30t squared plus 60t minus 30 squared minus 230t 60t minus 30 cos 60. So S squared is equals to 900t squared because 30 times 30 is equals to 900. Copy the plus 60t minus 30 squared minus 2 times 30t multiply to 60t minus 30. So copy na to siya, and may mga siyang S squared is equals to 900t squared plus 60t minus 30 squared minus 30t and multiply to 60t minus 30. So derive both sides with respect to time or t. So d over dt s squared is equals to d over dt 900 t squared plus 60 minus 30 squared minus 30 multiplied to 60t minus 30. So 2s ds over dt is equals to 18t plus 2 times 60t minus 30 times 60. So ang ato na siyang simplify mo na siya ato ang b squared, and antod nga nakuha nato na siyang ds over dt is equals to 3,600t minus 900 over 2s. So s when t is equals to 1 seconds, so si s squared i-multiply nato na siya tanan sa 1 second ang kanang na ay t. So 900t replace na to 1 squared plus 60 multiplied to 1 minus 30 squared minus 30 multiplied to 1 and 60 multiplied to 1 minus 30. Hantod makuha na to ang result na s squared is equals to 900. In order to remove the square root or the squared, we are going to kanang is squared na to siya both side. So square root of s squared, so cancel na ang squared, is equals to 900. So square root of 900 is equals to 30. So ang atong s or atong speed is 30 kilometer. Muna siya. So muna na siya ang atong speed. So find the ds over dt by substituting the ds over dt is equals to 3,600 multiplied to 1 minus 900 and 2 times 30. Diri na to ni siya nakuha sa kaning before kaning ds over dt. So ato ra siyang gi-substitute kung unsa atong nakuha nga answer. Kung atong time is equals to 1 seconds and ato ang s is equals to 30 km. So may muna na siya og ds over dt is equals to 3,600 kay multiply raman nato ning 3,600 to 1 minus 900 and multiply 2 kuan 2 times 30. So s when t is equals to 2 hours, so ato na siyang square both side para ma-cancel, para makuha na to ang kuan speed niya. So may mo na siya og s is equals to 14,400 plus 8,100 plus 8,100. So ato na siyang i-add. So may mo siyang s is equals to square root of 22,500. So ato na siyang i-compute. So ang atong s is equals to 150 km. So atong i-derive both sides with the respect of time. So ato na po na siyang i-derive. So d over dt is s squared is equals to d over dt multiplied to 60 plus 30 squared plus 45t squared. So si 2s ds over dt is equals to 2 multiplied to 60 plus 30t multiplied to 30 plus 2 45t multiplied to 45. Ato na din na siya i-substitute ang mga value. So dili na din ta mahimo og ds over dt is equals to 29,925t plus 1,800 over s. So find ds over dt by substituting ang katong previous na itong nakuha na pod nga answer, which is the 150 km. So ds over dt is equals to 2925 multiplied to 2 plus 18 over 150 ang atong s atong nakuha sa previous nato nga when t is equals to 2. So ds over dt is equals to 7650 over 150. So ang atong ds over dt for 624 is 51 km over h, or 51 kilometer per hour.